Good evening and welcome to Grails. What's Grails, you say? Well, let me talk to you. Grails. Grails is a shoe that we all want, or that you just want, that you couldn't get, didn't want to pay resale, didn't want to pay the money to get them, or they wasn't available at your disposal at that time. That's Grails. Grails is an all-time shoe that you've always wanted, but never could get your hands on it. That's what Grails is. And today, we're here to talk about Grails and my Grails. Here we'll be doing a whatever part series of Grails. Go down a long line of shoes that I wanted, shoes that I needed, and shoes that's going to warm my soul. If on this journey you so happen to find Grails that you would like, do me a favor. Go to my Instagram, tag me in it. My Instagram is blacked out Kickz. It will be on the screen somewhere up here on the screen. And hey, tag me in the post. Let me know what's your Grails. Hey, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to Grails. Yo, with this, I know on my last episode of Grails, I kind of was all over the place, and I want to clarify some things. The only thing that y'all will be seeing is my Grails, the stuff that I went back and got. And I have Grail collections. I have stuff that I want, like this. Say for instance, here, pink, yellow, green. This is a Grail for some people. Like, these here are Grail for somebody. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I consider a Grail. Like, stuff that you gotta go back and get, like, or that's untouchable, or that you feel like you can't get. My last shoe was the Jordan 1 Lost and Found, and that personally was a Grail to me. It was one that I felt like I couldn't obtain, I couldn't get, or it was going to take a little bit for me to get. That's a Grail. So, I seen some comments, I seen some things last video, and I just want to clarify some things. This is not, the Holy Grail or the DJ Khaled, we the best. This is your normal, I want to say sneakerhead, but connoisseur of shoes. I just like gym shoes. And with me liking gym shoes, it's certain things that I just like, and there's certain things I just don't want, and there's certain things that may not drop where I'm at, or I gotta search for, and that's why I call it a Grail. So I just wanted to clarify that before we go any further with any of these episodes. I want to clarify that on what is a Grail to me, and this is just to me. So we're gonna talk about now what a Grail is right now. What shoes with S I have that are a Grail to me, and it's a pack. That's the reason I bought the pink and the green, which is the lemonade pack for the Air Max 1. It's the reason I pulled them up, or I got them here, or they in this case right now as I rearrange some things. Sometimes packs be like the best shoes ever, and we talk about quality versus quantity, and that's what I'm going for here. If y'all go to my eBay selling page, I have stuff for sale now. Y'all better go get it quick now, because they're going. They all for bid. So just go look at it. I'll put the link in the description. It's always there for my eBay selling page. So if y'all ever looking for something y'all see, or y'all haven't seen me in a while, or if I say it's something going up for sale, it's always going up on eBay, because they authenticate and do all that good stuff. But get moving forward. These right here is some of those shoes that, look, I love quality. I do not care for quantity. I got a lot, but it's all quality shoes. You know, they all somewhere around that, where that leather so soft and so supple, and you can wear them. I'm into wearing my shoes. Like, so let's get into this first one here. Definitely a 1, and this is the definitely a Jordan 1, and it's a pack. And y'all buy it. It didn't come out as a pack, but I call it a pack because it's 4 of them. I got 3 of them. I'm getting the other one. But you know, I'm a full-time worker and all this good stuff, so it takes time. But let's get into this first one. This first one right here. This is the Gorge Green Jordan 1. And if y'all know what this is, y'all already know what's coming next. I honestly think this right here is a dope. And when I say quality, let me sit this down. Quality, look at the quality on this, man. Man, the leather, dude, like, oh, you can't go wrong with this, man. The leather so soft and supple, like you can get like a good look. I've already threw them on and worn them. Like you can get some wears out of this, and that's what I'm talking about. Like I'm tired of buying shoes where you get one wear and it's like, oh, got that one wear and you don't care. And I'm tired of buying shoes like that. Shout out to eBay, because I did cop these off of eBay for retail, so shout out to them. So let's move on. Like I ain't gonna talk about these too much. Like I said, that Gorge Green is just something that's sickening to me. That's just a dope color. Moving on. Next box. If y'all know what them is, then y'all know what these is. Let's see the size. This is my size. Shout out to, I said once again, shout out to eBay, because I got a lot of these off of the eBays. So going back in, like I said, it's more of a pack. It's not a pack, but we're gonna call it a pack. So let's get into these. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, yes. Woo wee! I had to get the Bordeaux. Yes, the Bordeaux, Bordeaux, however you want to call it. White. Look. Bam, 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 bam. Like I said, once again, shout out to eBay. They was quick, swift, and came with it. Man, if y'all sleep, I'm telling y'all gonna regret not getting these. Me personally, I think these probably the coldest quality wise Jordans to come out. I haven't seen nothing like it. I think it's some lows that came out with this quality, but to be honest with you, man, this quality on these are crazy. I'm gonna pull this out so I can, like, the quality, like, do y'all see that? Like, the quality go dumb on these, man. Like, man, I don't think y'all, I know y'all get it, and I know y'all understand it, but me personally, if I gotta go, one, work hard for my money, like 10, 12 hours for my money, I'm not buying a shoe that I can't wear but once, and after that, they done. So, if y'all feel me, y'all feel me. Me personally, if I ain't going to a party, if it ain't nothing like that, or if I ain't getting a shoe like for an everyday shoe, or me throwing on a fit just to go somewhere, I want something that's quality. I want something that's gonna last. I want something that's gonna be rugged, and you know what I'm saying. Like, so, moving on to gray box. Y'all know, this is the metallic silver and navy, and bam. Like I said, they get wear. This is the first one I got out of all of them, so they got some wear. I need to wipe them off. They do come with a couple of different sets of laces, but that's the first one. And out of all of them, these has the quality on these go dumb too. Like this, the Navy Co-op Japan one, Co-Japan or whatever y'all want to call it, from 2020. These go crazy. These need to be wiped down because I don't wear them, but they go crazy. They go crazy. Like man, that quality on these, man. Like, in all honesty, if y'all need, like, I would go cop. Like, I would definitely go cop. And I would cop all three of them because the spectrum of these shoes and price-wise, they not dumb. These might be up there a little bit, but for the most part, the price rise on shoes is not crazy. So, I definitely will cop these if you get a chance, man. Definitely go cop it. Bam. Bam. Let's see if I can get them. Let's see if I can get them. Bam. Let's see if I can get them. Ooh. Ooh. Quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. Is that what we doing? Is that what we doing? That what we doing? Man, oh man. Yes. Yes. Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me. Is this one you gotta have in your collection? Like, we talking about Grails, and these are Grails. These three are the best quality Jordan 1s, highs you gonna get, man. These three are the best ones, dog. And if y'all ain't cop them, if y'all ain't got them, hey, I don't know what you're doing. But hey, this your boy, Blacked Out Kickz. Once again, let your haters look in your past. You keep looking to the future. Yo, stay blessed, be blessed now, always. Hey, no matter what, always stay blessed. And yo, we out.